صلوا على الحبيب صلى الله تعالى على محمد.
14th Muharram al-Haram, Urs Mubarak of Mufti Azam Hind Mustafa Raza Khan alayhi rahmatur rahman, Mufti Azam Hind and the beloved son of Ana Hazrat and the pride of the Ahl Sunnah, Hazrat Allama Maulana Muhammad Mustafa Raza Khan alayhi rahmatur rahman, was born on Jumu'atul Mubarak on the 22nd of Dhul Hijjatil Haram in 1310 Hijri, corresponding to the 7th of July 1893 in Razanagar Mohalla, Sodagran, Bareilly, UP, Hind. He received his elementary education and training under the wise supervision of his blessed father, Imam Ahl Sunnat, Imam Ahmad Raza Khan alayhi rahmatur rahman. Hazrat Maulana Sayyid Shah Abul Hussain Noori Marharwi rahmatullahi ta'ala alayhi gave him the honor to take an oath of bay'at to him in Silsila Qadriya Barakatiya, and authorized him with permission and khilafat of Salasil Arba'a, that is, the 4 spiritual chains. Furthermore, Imam Ahl Sunnat, Imam Ahmad Raza Khan alayhi rahmatur rahman, granted him the permission of 25 spiritual chains and silsilas of the Awliya Kiram. He wrote an excessively large number of fatawa, that is, legal opinions, over a period of more than 5 decades. In spite of various engagements in different affairs, he left behind a treasure of writings and compiled works of great worth. The writers of his biography have prepared a list of his writings, compilations, and marginal notes, which number more than 35. Among those works, Saman-e-Bakhshish and Fatawa Mustafawiya are well known. The pride of the Ahl Sunnat, Hazrat Allama Maulana Mufti Muhammad Mustafa Raza Khan alayhi rahmatur rahman, passed away on the 14th of Muharram al-Haram in 1402 Hijri, corresponding to 1981 AC. His holy shrine is situated beside the holy grave of his blessed father, Imam Ahmad Raza Khan alayhi rahmatur rahman, in Bareilly Sharif, Hind. May the blessings of Allah Azza wa Jal be upon him, and may we be forgiven without accountability for his sake.
صلوا على الحبيب صلى الله تعالى على محمد.
صلوا على الحبيب صلى الله تعالى على محمد. मुझे अपनी और सारी दुनिया के लोगों की इस्लाह की कोशिश करनी है इंशाअल्लाह.